morning. Hello. Hi. How are you? Good boy. Let me see your bite. Very nice. Thank you. Bite is good. Good head and expression. Strong neck. Good shoulder angulation. Good forechest. Good depth of chest. It's okay. Good boy. Well angulated rear quarters. Good boy. Good boy. Would like stronger, tighter feet. Good top line. Okay. Come on down. Easy, easy. Straight to the corner and back, please. Hey, could you go around one more time? Just once more around? Thank you. Moves well going away. Hello. Paddles slightly coming towards me. Paddles. Profile movement is adequate. Although he lifts his front feet a little too much, lifts too high. Holds his top line well. Excellent. How are you? Good boy. Let me see you. Good boy. Good bite. Lovely dark eyes, nice expression. Just a little wide in the cheekbones. Good shoulder angulation. Nice forechest. Good depth of chest. Nice broad rear quarters. Nice angulation behind. Good pasterns. Nice feet. Strong top line. Thank you. May I see him go down and back, please? Take him right around for me, please. Thank you for the movement. For the movement, the second one.
На вторую движение.
The second one movement. Okay.
В ленточку движения. Ты, который первое место, которых нет.
Move soundly coming and going.
Правильные движения спереди, сзади.
Lovely profile movement.
Да.
Lovely profile movement.
Очень красивые движения сбоку.
Yep. Moves strongly, holds his top line.
Хорошо держит линию верха.
Good reach and drive.
Хороший толчок и вымах.
Excellent.